Hello everyone. In this video we are going to do count ifs, count unique and count unique ifs formula. So let's begin. See, this is the data that is given to us in which city names, the country names and Indian state names are given, and we have to solve these questions using the formula. Okay, so let's begin. Count the number of countries given in the list. We want to count the number of countries given in this list. What we have to do is, what we do for count is count A, select the range and enter. So it is giving us 7 names, but are there actually 7 number of countries given in this list? No. Why? Because India is being repeated many times. So if we want to count unique number of country names, what we have to do is write count unique formula instead of count A and select this range, and we get the unique number of values. So here India, UK, USA and Bangladesh, 4 countries are there. That is why there are 4 unique values. Moving on to the next problem, which uses the same formula. Now, how many city names are given in the list? Again, this is another example for count unique. What we have to do is, if we use count A, then we can get only total number of values given in it. But if we want to count the unique values, then we have to use count unique formula, right? In this case both the values are same because no value is getting repeated, but if I say repeat Mumbai, then it gives me 6, right? See, 6. Why? Because Mumbai is repeated twice, right? Moving on to the next problem. So in both of these, what did we use? We used count unique formula. Next, how many times India is written in this column? How many times India is written here? So the condition is, we want to count this column but only if India is given in it, right? So in this case what we do is, we use count ifs formula. In count ifs the syntax is like this. So count ifs, it has even number of arguments, so range 1 and the condition for that range, range 2 and condition for that range, and so on. You can have any number of arguments in count ifs, given that those are in pairs. Okay, so let's begin. So we want to count this column, that is range 1, when condition 1 is that it is written as India, and enter. So there are 4 names, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I told you that we can have any number of conditions in it. So if you want to apply any other condition also, say you want to count India in this column only when MP is written here. So you want to add one more condition. What you'll do is, when column C, that is range 2, what is our condition 2? MP is there, and enter. So it is 2. So this is how we do COUNTIFs formula. Now in this case I have written MP or these absolute values. What you can do is, you can also give the cell reference. Instead of writing MP, you can write equal to C7 and it will give you the same results. Similarly, for India, what you can do is, instead of writing India, you can give the cell reference, that is B2 or B7 or any other range, and enter, and it will give you the same thing, right? Moving on to the next formula. Now earlier what we were doing was, we were counting these values, then that is using count A. Then we used count unique formula, that is counting the unique values in this column. Then we move to the count ifs, that is, in this column I want to count only if India is written here, right? Now we are moving to the next situation in which we are counting unique values of this column when some conditions are given in other columns. So the problem is, how many cities are there from India, and we want to calculate these unique values. So for that we use count unique ifs, means count what is the syntax for that formula is count unique ifs, criteria range, the column that you want to count actually, and then the arguments will be in pairs, that is range 1 condition 1 range 2 condition 2, as it was in count ifs. So let's apply this formula. So count unique ifs, what does this mean? Count unique values in this column when this is equal to India, and say I want to count this one is equal to MP, enter, right? Say I want to count only when India is given here and not any MP conditions, then it gives me 4. Why? Because 1 2 3 4, right? Again in count unique if also you can give, instead of absolute value you can give any cell reference, so you can write India and enter 4. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you.